our professionals to take ownership in their clients and ownership in their positions in the firm.
Here at EEPB, we are so vested in developing our young talent, the people that we recruit off college campuses, and the people that we bring in to become part of our family, to become part of the firm.
The succession plan gives the opportunity for the older shareholders to retire with benefits, but allows a transition to the younger professionals.
These shareholders will retire at 65, and they've got to transfer their business to the best people in the firm.
And incentivizes them to work toward a goal of being an owner.
That sense of ownership has carried me through to wanting to stay here for long term and potentially becoming a shareholder in the audit department one day.
We're proud to say in the last year we've made 2 of our college recruit shareholders, so they've made it all the way up from the ranks from entry level all the way to shareholder.
I was promoted with 2 other guys last year to shareholder.
I started as a staff accountant and have since worked my way up to shareholder after 14 years.
It's all about providing a great service, and I am really proud of the service that EEPB provides and the organization that we are here. It's a great place to work.